Hi children, happy morning to all. Today we are going to see a new chapter. Before going to the chapter, just we are going to recap what we learnt yesterday's class, that is previous class. Yes, I hope you all know we learnt about the lazy frog. Yes. What is the name of the lazy frog, children? Yes, the frog name is Fred. He always used to lie on the log of wood. Okay, he never respond to anyone, always used to sleep on the log. This was the story of the lazy frog. Now we are going to see the new lesson, that is in our unit 5 prose. Just take your English textbook, children, and you can open your page number 82. This is about Rip Van Winkle. It's a name of a person. This story is about Rip Van Winkle, a good, nurtured but lazy man who goes away into the hills and falls asleep. As if the frog, the lazy frog, what we saw in a previous poem, this man also the same thing. When he awakens 20 years later, Rip finds that quite a few things have changed. Okay, children? So, just I want to say the short story of this. After that, I'll read and explain everything. Okay? So, there was a man called Rip Van Winkle. He was having a wife and he was having some friends also. 3 to 4 friends. He used to sit with them often and he used to chat with them. But he won't do any work in his field. So that his wife was often fighting with that man. After seeing all these things, what Rip Van Winkle was thinking, he want to go somewhere distant place. That is away from his wife. He want to be away from his wife. So what he did, he took what he want and he taken his dog. It is called Wolf. He taken his dog also along with him and he went to the hillside. When he was going hillside, it was late evening. So he thought of returning home, and while he was ready to come home, he was caught by one small man. Okay, he was very small in size and he was trying to ask help to the Rip Van Winkle. He also helped the small man, that is that short person. He want to carry a drum. He is having a drum. He want to carry that. So he get the help of Rip Van Winkle. Rip Van Winkle helped that man and took that box along with him and he reached their place. After reaching there only, he saw that there are so many persons that is same like the short person. There are so many persons in that place and they were playing some games. Okay, but even though they are playing, they are looking very serious face. Now they started coming to that short person. What he was carrying, they were coming and seeing everything, and just they opened and they started drinking the liquor. Yes, there was a liquor in that, and everyone started to drink it, and they went to play again. After they all went, what Rip Van Winkle thought that we also can try for this. Like that he was thinking and he started to drink. He was keep on tasting it because it tastes nice, so he keep on drinking it. In one condition, he was not stable. He want to sleep, so he fell down and he slept. Then he wake up and he saw that he was in a normal place. He didn't found the dog also, he didn't found any short person, and he want to move from there, want to come again. Now so many things has changed. When he was returning to his house, so many things, everything was changed. And he came and asked about his friends. They told they are not here, they went somewhere else. One girl, one lady, she came with the small child and he was asking that, do you know Rip Van Winkle? Yes, she is telling that, yes, I know. He is my father, but he was not here. Before 20 years, he went to the hill, but now we don't know where he was. Like that, the lady was telling. Now he got. So again, he is asking for his wife. Where is your mother? Like that, he is asking. Now only, before 1 or 2 months only, she passed away. Like that, the lady was replying. And after hearing all these things, Rip Van Winkle is telling the truth that he is the father of that girl. And he told everything. Now that girl took him to her house and he lived there itself. Now he started doing all the works in the field also, and he was starting with the small children who were there in the village. Okay, children. So this is the story about Rip Van Winkle. So read the story and understand this. I'll tell you the new words. Just read the new words. And today your homework is you have to read the new words. Okay, children? Thank you, everyone.